So I was out here harvesting my wax beans, and I thought, well, I should do a quick review of these because these are the seeds I got from Dollar Tree. We bought some seeds from my garden, and then I'm swinging with everything going. I thought, I want to extend my garden. I found out Dollar Tree had seeds for $4. I was like, well, it's worth a try. So this is what I got. I got Cherokee Wax Yellow Bush Beans. We counted up, they had 15 seeds in this packet. I'm sure there's a little bit of change because it's by weight. I'm just out here picking, and I thought I'd bring you along. So what we did was we planted 2 squares of our square foot garden in them. As you can see, they're kind of running about. Well, let me get back a little further for you. Kind of running about a bit, so I would try to stake them up a little bit. I tried to run some yarn around them, and that didn't work. I'll bring you a clip when I'm done to show you how many. But what I love is they have these beautiful little purple flowers. As you can see, it's doing a pretty good harvest. So I'll go ahead and finish picking it and let you see what I got. Jackpot of white beans I just found. Crazy. Kind of the harvest. I think maybe I've got a couple more. Maybe I was picking my other wax beans. I'm not sure how many were these, but I know all of these at least are from here. So we ended up getting 12 plants from one packet. I might do 2 packets next year to make sure I got a good meal's worth every time I pick this. I just picked this 2 days ago. So if you let it go a little longer, you'd get a little bit more time. But so I'm pretty happy with them. I'd certainly buy them again.